Welcome to Sree Latha Organic Farming. Let us continue the various ways to improve soil organic matter. Mulching. Any type of mulching, either it is plastic or live mulch or crop residues, any mulch is accepted in organic farming. Many people are having a doubt that whether plastic mulch is permitted in organic farming or not. Yes, it is permitted. Mulches conserve water by maintaining the moisture for long time and balance soil temperature under extreme cold and hot conditions. These mulches they provide shelter to microbes and earthworms. That is more important. Minimum tillage. Deep tillage is detrimental many times, especially to the living organisms in the soil. It also produces greenhouse grasses. That's why just minimum tillage and application of manure or compost will help a lot. Then coming to the crop rotations. Proper crop rotation is very important in organic farming. The inclusion of legumes, that is pulse crop, in the crop rotation is very important and beneficial. A crop rotation like brinjal followed by tomato, tomato followed by brinjal. No, this is not crop rotation. Not proper crop rotation. Even though it is crop rotation, it is not proper crop rotation. Legumes are to be incorporated, which fixes nitrogen, and also the pest and diseases that comes to the crops should be very much different. The crop rotation should not build pest load on the crop. And one more aspect is to be considered that deep rooted crops are to be rotated with shallow rooted crops. When we manage like that, the deep rooted crops they mine nutrients from the parent rock that is withering in the subsoil. Due to their deep root system, they make soil permeable to water and air, and they bring the nutrition from the lower layers to the leaves, and when the leaves fall down, it adds lot of organic matter to the soil and important nutrients, mineral nutrients which are available in the deep layers. Companion crops. In our next sessions, we will discuss a lot about the companion crops, because some crops they are very good companions. In the presence of that crop, the main crop also grows very well. That much companionship we can see. Some crops they don't grow together, they harm each other. So it is very important to know which are all the companion crops and how to plan their planting. Permanent beds and paths. Permanent beds always protect soil structure and avoid compaction. Mostly the farmers they prefer to use permanent beds and paths for vegetables and leafy vegetables. Then biofertilizers. We should not forget biofertilizers in the organic farming, especially when it comes to the nitrogen biofertilizers. The azotobacter, azospirillum and rhizobium are very important. They have a significant influence on crops. They fix nitrogen and increases yields, and phosphate solubilizing bacteria which makes the phosphorus available to the plants, zinc solubilizing bacteria and potassium mobilizing bacteria. They are very useful and they supply respective nutrients to the plants. Vesicular arbuscular mycorrhiza, if you see, it is a fungus. Actually, whatever earlier we spoke Azotobacter, Azospirillum, PSB, ZSP, and KMB are the bacteria. But this mycorrhiza, it is fungus. It helps in the nutrition absorption by the plants, and it forms association with the plant roots. The plants with mycorrhizal associations, they have larger roots than non-mycorrhizal plants that increase in rootlet size and longevity helps for more absorption of water and nutrients. These hyphae explore water and increase the surface area of the plant root system for absorption. Some mycorrhizae alter the plant's physiology by increasing stomatal resistance, resulting in less water loss. Drought resistance will be provided. So then in our next session, let us see how to use the biofertilizers. They can be used in many ways. Let us see in our next session. Thank you. Signing off, Sree Latha.